Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our podcast. I'm Sarah. Thank you for being here today.
Hello, friends. I'm Ibrahim. We are happy you're listening.
Today's topic is simple, but very powerful. It is time to change your life.
This is not a loud message. This is a calm message. This is a real message.
Many people feel tired every day. Not tired in the body, tired in the mind.
They wake up. They follow routine. They feel empty inside.
They feel stuck. They feel lost. They feel confused.
They keep going, but they don't feel alive. They feel life is on repeat.
If you feel this way, it is okay. You are not alone. Many people feel this.
This feeling is not weakness. This feeling is awareness. Awareness is powerful.
Awareness means you are waking up. It means your mind is asking questions. It means change is calling you.
Change starts quietly. It starts inside. It starts with a thought.
A small thought, a soft thought, a brave thought.
A thought that says, I want a better life.
You may not know how. You may not know when. You may not know where to start.
That is okay. You don't need all answers today. You only need honesty.
Many people ignore this feeling. They choose comfort. Comfort feels safe.
Comfort feels easy. Comfort feels familiar. But comfort keeps you small.
Comfort slowly steals your dreams. Comfort delays your growth. Comfort lies to you.
Growth feels uncomfortable. Growth feels scary. Growth feels uncertain.
But growth brings life. Growth brings confidence. Growth brings change.
Fear stops many people. Fear talks loudly. Fear creates excuses.
Fear says you are late. Fear says you are weak. Fear says you will fail.
Fear is only a feeling. It is not truth. It is not permanent.
Fear cannot control you unless you allow it. You are stronger than fear.
Every successful person felt fear. They felt doubt. They felt confusion.
But they moved forward. They took one step. They tried again.
Change does not need perfection. Change needs decision. A clear decision.
A decision to stop waiting. A decision to stop excuses. A decision to try.
You don't need to change everything today. That thinking stops people. Change works slowly.
One habit at a time. One choice at a time. One day at a time.
Your daily habits matter. Small habits shape your future. Your routine creates your life.
How you wake up matters. How you speak to yourself matters. How you use time matters.
Your inner voice is important. It speaks all day. It guides your actions.
Many people speak badly to themselves. They judge themselves. They blame themselves.
That voice needs kindness. That voice needs support. That voice needs patience.
Say simple words. Say honest words. Say kind words.
Say, I am learning. Say, I am growing. Say, I am trying.
These words build strength. These words build belief. These words build confidence.
Your past does not define you. Mistakes do not define you. Failure does not define you.
The past is a lesson, not a life sentence. Let it go gently.
Regret drains energy. Your future needs energy. Choose release.
Motivation comes and goes. Some days are easy. Some days are hard.
Some days are easy. Some days are hard.
Discipline stays. Discipline builds structure. Discipline builds trust in yourself.
Consistency changes everything. Small actions repeated daily work magic. Consistency builds momentum.
Stop comparing your life. Comparison steals joy. Comparison kills focus.
Social media is not real life. Everyone struggles. Everyone has problems.
Your journey is unique. Your pace is valid. Your effort matters.
Learn new skills. Skills open doors. Skills build independence.
Learning keeps your mind alive. Learning keeps you moving. Learning creates hope.
Your environment matters. People affect your mindset. Choose growth when possible.
Some days will feel heavy. Some days you will feel tired. Some days you will want to quit.
That is normal. Do not judge yourself. Be gentle.
Progress is not straight. Progress has ups and downs. Keep going.
Celebrate small wins. Every step counts. Every effort matters.
Imagine your future self. Calm, confident.
Imagine looking back, seeing growth, seeing courage.
Imagine saying, I did not give up.
That feeling is powerful. That feeling is real. That future is possible.
Do not wait for tomorrow. Tomorrow is uncertain. Today is real.
Start small today. One action is enough. One choice matters.
You are capable. You are stronger than you think. You can change.
It is time to change your life. Not for others, for yourself.
You deserve growth. You deserve peace. You deserve better.
Believe in yourself. Trust the process. Stay patient.
Keep learning. Keep moving. Keep believing.
Thank you for listening. Thank you for choosing growth. Thank you for being here.
We believe in you. Your journey matters. Your future is waiting.
It is time to change your life.